Nokia has launched a 5G smartphone with a 200MP camera, a phone that will directly compete with the iPhone. Nokia has launched the Nokia X400 5G, featuring a 200MP camera to compete with the iPhone 14. This new smartphone is a testament to Nokia's enduring popularity in India, Pakistan, and surroundings, boasting advanced features. The Nokia X400 5G has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display, with a 120Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass protection. Under the hood, it runs on Android 13 with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 processor, 128GB storage, and 8GB RAM. Battery capacity is impressive at 8,000 mAh, ensuring long-lasting usage. While the price is not yet officially released, it's expected to be around $500 to $550 according to reports. This smartphone's high specs make it a formidable competitor in the high-end phone market. Last but not the least, it's being launched in second quarter of 2024.